Hey guys, welcome to Pen Industry. Hope you are doing good. I am Dr. Aishwarya with you for easy learning and better understanding. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and press the bell icon for the latest upcoming videos.
We're going with the Schemon's growth curve. Schemon's, this was given by Schemon as the name suggests itself. And Schemons has classified the body tissue in 4 types for the growth curve. First one was lymphoid, neural, journal and genital. Each grows in different time and different level. As you can see in this diagram, everyone is having a different time and different level. I will going to take the journal tissues. What happens in journal tissue? Journal tissue is present here. As you can see, this black curve from birth to the 20th age. Muscle, bone, organs form here. This is the S-type curve. Around the S-type curve, it grows. Rapid growth takes place up to 2 to 3 years. As you can see, there is a rapid growth is seen 2 to 3 years. After that, it slow downs at the phase of 3 to 10 years. It is going to slow down. As you can see, the curve is getting down at the age of 3 to 10 years. After 10 years, what happened? After 10 years, there is a rapid, again there is a rapid growth. You can see this, the curve is going upward direction. There is a rapid growth and it terminates, that is it ends. The growth stops at the age of, that means it terminates at the age of 18 to 20 years of age. It is going to terminate at 18 to 20 years of age. This was the journal. That means first it is going to make a S curve with a rapid growth. Then it going to slow down. First rapid, then slow, then again rapid, then terminate. In neural, it grows rapidly to a adult size at the age of 6 to 7. That means till the baby is getting or reaching the 6 to 7 years of age, he or she has got the adult size neural tissue. As you can see, the neural tissue here, from the birth it is growing rapidly, and it is from up till here it is maintaining the straight line up till 20 years of age. Genital tissue, in genital tissue at puberty peak at 20 years of age. The last one is genital. This peaks, as you can see, from birth it is making a linear line, and before 20 years of age it has increased the growth. That means the rapid growth, as you can see here, the peak is there up till the age of 20 years. In lymphoid tissue, the lymph tissue, it is rapid at late childhood. Rapid at late childhood, that means it grows from here. In late childhood, it is rapid to 200%. It has reached 200%. As you can see, it has reached to 200%. Rapid childhood age of adult size up till the adult size. To protect from infection, why it has reached to 200%? Because for the protection of the infection. By 18 years it go under involution. Involution means it slow downs or it terminates. By the age of 18 years, the involution takes place. That means the growth has stopped and it has reached to the adult size. This was the lymphoid tissue. Understandable. It follows the somatic cell growth, that is journal tissue growth pattern it follows. and it takes place till 18 to 20 years of age. And in maxilla, the maxilla follows the neural growth pattern. As you have seen the neural growth pattern, the same way maxilla curve takes place. Growth stops year earlier. When for treatment maxilla, we should consider a maxilla as compared to the mandible. Okay, this was the mandible growth, maxilla growth, and for treatment, maxilla should be considered than the mandible. So this was the Schimmel's growth pattern.
Thank you for watching Pen Dentistry. To know more about me, links are in description box. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for the latest videos.